Almost out, you guys, of the Chanel. Oh, went down. Chanel cream. So fancy, you guys. So fancy. We gotta get going. So I got the package from Walmart, just delivered. I am going to show you guys because those are the Huggle blankets that my kids wanted so badly. Okay, so I got the navy one for my 7-year-old. I'm sure it's gonna be pretty long on him because this is like all one size. But that's exactly what they wanted, especially my older one wanted. But of course, if I buy one, I have to get another one for, you know, for other child as well. So it seems like it's really soft, so that's nice. And there is another one, which is like a red burgundy. See, it says one size fits all. This is the burgundy. So yeah, I'm sure they're gonna be very happy. So I'm gonna hide this because I'm gonna wrap it up under the, you know, give them on Christmas Day. I mean, Santa will give it to them. So which fragrance should I wear today? I'm thinking Twilly, because I have been wearing this Hermes for like a good 2 weeks now. Let me think. Oh, and this, I forgot about this one. This one is so good. Maybe I'll wear this today. Or Twilly. I hate this, by the way. I don't know. This is just... And by the way, I got this some time ago. This is the Intense Coco Mademoiselle Intense. I don't like it as much as the original. I think the original is so much better, you guys. This is the Coco Mademoiselle and this is the Intense. Yeah, Eau de Parfum Intense right there. It says, I don't know. I think if I'll have to choose, I'll go with this one. So I'm gonna go for Twilly. I'm gonna go, that's my first thought. So let me do some Twilly. And oh, that smells so good, you guys. Okay, so I got the Twilly. By the way, some of you ask me how I store my SLGs. This is like the little section that I have with some of them. Obviously the smaller one, I didn't use this one yet, you guys. It's still kind of waiting for its turn. Isn't that beautiful? I hope you all saw the unboxing. And this is the yellow one. They are just so beautiful. And this is my wallet, Chanel wallet. So yeah, I have some Louis Vuitton pieces in here, some other Chanel. This is my multicolor. So yeah, I keep it here like the smaller, you know, the smaller SLGs, and then I grab whatever I need. We got yesterday evening an order of the Nespresso coffee. It's a full box, you guys, and you can see how big it is. But there's one problem, and I'm gonna show you. So they sent us, do you see the size? This is a ginormous size of those coffee cups, and of course they're not fitting into the machine. And I'm talking about, we have this ginormous box of coffee. Everything is filled with coffee, with those type of cups. So this is the size the machine takes right here. All right, so this is the size, and this is what they send us. This is ridiculous. So I call them up and I say, listen, you told me to enter, that my husband was doing it, like they told us to enter the machine model, whatever you have, and they show us, you know, all possible, you know, those little coffee cups that they have, and this is what they send us. So I called them this morning asking, you know, what's going on, and they apologize. That was their mistake, but I got an entire box, like, I don't know, there's like 200 cups of those humongous coffee. So this will go back. So I am on my way to Hobby Lobby. We are running errands today. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby first, and then we need to go to, what is it called? Not a Home Goods. Maybe we'll go to Home Goods too. Blackout. What is it called, that store? Home Sense? No, that's in England. Home Depot. No, Home Depot. Oh, gee. At home. It's called At Home. So, because, you know, I'm basically done with my trees, but I'm still craving for feathers, and I know one of you suggested me to check the Amazon. I didn't do it yet, to be honest with you, because I'm hoping to get those feathers are at home, because I get all my doves of my birds at home, so hopefully they have feathers. I think I saw them last year, so we'll see. But ooh, my camera is shaking, but that's pretty much what I am planning to do this morning. So at home, maybe Home Goods. Okay, Hobby Lobby is done. I'm gonna show you guys. I had a couple of more paperback, and I got different design. I've got those as well. So I thought these were cute. I really wanted to buy, last time I went to Hobby Lobby, I completely forgot, you guys, I wanted to buy those gift tags. So there's like assortment of 60 different tags, so there's a lot of tags. So these were $9.99 and they were 50% off. And then I noticed this, you guys, and I couldn't resist. These are like a little, I don't know, like a rounds that you put it on my Christmas tree. Those are really pretty. It's just gonna go on my white Christmas tree. So these were $13.99, and again they were 50% off as well. So let's go to At Home. Okay guys, let's see what At Home has to offer.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
Doesn't look like I'm gonna have a luck with the feathers, you guys. There's something. These are like angel wings. That's not what I was really looking for. I found my doves, so I'm gonna grab another one, because I buy one every year. And there's some musical notes. Cute. I feel like I'm in the forest in here. Look at all this greenery. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. But it's good to know if you want to make a wreath. They have lots of them. I'm gonna put some nice ribbon, and they have some plain ones. Really cute. So by the way, you guys, I'm getting 2 birds. So I'm getting the big one, and I'm getting the small one, as well as the Eiffel Tower. So maybe someday I'll finally get to Paris. The sales associate lady at home was so nice, you guys. She was like packing that Eiffel Tower that I show you that I've got, and she said like, did you see what's happening in Paris? And I said, you know, it's a shame. I mean, it's just really blowing my mind. I mean, you know, it's France, and I don't know, these people are acting like, you know, it's a crime what is happening. It's just completely blowing my mind, you guys. How is this even possible? It's so disappointing. A friend of mine is going actually there. I think he said he's leaving right before Christmas, and he purchased tickets for the Eiffel Tower, Louvre, you know, everything is like paid for, the hotel, the airfare, and now they say the Eiffel Tower is closed, you know, Louvre is closed. I don't even know if they can you know, fix the problem before Christmas, and now you have all this, you know, killings, shooting happening, and this rebels. I mean, this is like so out of control. I don't know what the president of France is doing. I'm not really following exactly, but they should take control of this. Before Christmas every year, I like to go to, you know, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. Before Christmas, they carry Polish chocolates, you guys. I don't know if it's everywhere, but since we live here, they always have it. So every year I get these. These are by the company Mieszko, and these are probably not the best Polish chocolates, but these are pretty cool, pretty close. So I got those, and then of course, you know, European chocolates are always the best, so any Belgian chocolates that you will get are really good. So I got these for the family for the Christmas. This is like an assortment of different truffles, and I also got those for like teacher gifts. So I got 2 extra for the teachers. Alright, there's more, you guys. I got 2 of cherries in, this is also, I'm sorry for the glare, you guys, this is also the Polish company chocolates. These are cherries in the, like an alcohol kind of, not a sauce, you don't call it sauce, but they are like suspended in an alcohol, and these are cherries. So good, you guys, so good. So these are obviously for adults, not for kids, because you can actually taste the alcohol. Alright, then I've got, every year, and I'm sure you guys buy too, it's the bread, the panettone. This is how it looks like. It's really yummy, you guys. I buy it every year. And then I spotted some placemats on sale, so these are going to be on my kitchen table, because I just basically needed new ones. And since we have that fancy coffee machine, you guys, they had those, lots of those syrups. These are like sugar-free, calorie-free, chocolate hazelnut. That's what I got. This is by, I don't know, Skinny Syrup Company. They were only $3.99, so I've decided to get this. You can actually get it added to coffee, yogurt, protein shake, desserts, cappuccinos. So why not? Got some napkins for our Christmas table. I don't use like a legit, you know, like a linen napkins. I have no patience in ironing them, or I can wash, I can fold, but I cannot iron. I have no patience, so I use paper napkins. Nothing wrong with that. And then I found one more Polish chocolates. These are like a truffles, so kids are gonna love it. There we go. And that's pretty much it. yeah, and some of them are like double because I got them as a gift. That was a pretty successful trip to the Home Goods. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.